Okay, everyone, whenever you are in my house, never ever flip the light switch. So when you are in my house, never ever do this. That is a big no-no. You don't ever do that unless you are going to the bathroom and you need to turn on the light so you can see, or if I give you permission to turn on the light. But if it's not for those reasons, you leave the lights alone in my house. You don't touch lights at anyone's house, and especially at a place like school, without permission. Only do it in your own house. Bye.